it's true, I crave you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you saw from the title, we are going to be doing this very easy spring type makeup look. I don't really know what I'm calling this yet, but I got the vibes from this shirt. I got it at TJ Maxx, and I just wanted to do something with yellow and something with a little bit of blue, and I actually turned out really liking it. At first in the video you'll see that I wasn't liking it, and then now that it's like done and completed and the full face is on, I'm actually really liking it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I don't want to talk too long during the intro, but I do want to tell you guys that I do have an announcement at the end of the video, just a quick one. So if you guys want to see that, then keep on watching and stay till the end of the video. And if you guys want to see how I got this like literally super easy, like 4 colors, not even kidding, makeup eye look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's just get started. I'm going to be taking this yellow shade and putting that in the crease. I am literally just building this color up like crazy. This is the only color that I use in the top eyelid. So I'm just going to be taking that and really building it up in the crease and on the eyelid. Really quick, I do want to apologize for the audio. I'm just recording on my phone because my camera mic broke as I was filming this, so it had to be a voiceover. I'm so sorry. I know that you guys like talk throughs better, but it's not for long, so I hope you guys don't mind. But now I am just taking a flat shader brush, picking up that color, really going in and on my eye, in and on my eye, really to just build up that yellow color because I want it to be really vibrant throughout the eyelid. And yeah, so I'm just taking that, I'm building it up and build it up until you get the pigmentation and the quality of the eyeshadow that you want. If I used a different shadow, I feel like a different yellow, I feel like this would have been easier, but this yellow wasn't super pigmented, so I worked with what I had. And then here, I'm just taking a fluffy brush that I use in the crease. Once I took that tape off, I didn't really love the super sharp line, so I'm just taking the shadow brush that I used and kind of buffing out, not perfectly, but just so it's not like a sharp line on the edge, and just buffing out that yellow color. Okay guys, so I just finished off the rest of my face and my eyebrows and put on some lashes because the wing liner, like I said, did not turn out good, so you know I gotta put the big lashes on to cover up the liner because it ain't cute. But I do really quick want to apologize for the audio. I don't know if the rest of my video is going to be voiceover or not because my mic died. Like it just broke right now. Like I looked and it's like broken. So sorry if the rest of the video was voiceover. It was like kind of quick. And I'm sorry for the audio right now. I am just using my camera mic, so I'm really sorry if it sucks, but I will try and do my best to like work with it in Final Cut, but for now, this is what we're working with. So I just finished off my face. This side of my face is just like not doing what I wanted to do. Like my eyebrow is off, it's muddy, I don't know what's going on. I just don't know what's going on, but we're just gonna continue. This has just been like a shit show of a video, but it's okay. We just gonna work with it. We just gonna go. So we're just gonna go on the bottom lash line. What I want to do here, I can't with these bangs right now. I just can't. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this blue right here at the top, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom lash line. And then what I think I'm gonna do after that is switch to another palette that, you know, you guys have never seen me use before. I've never used this palette. I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this blue down at the bottom because this is a shimmery blue. There's no really like shimmery blue in this palette, not shimmery enough. Like this one right here is kind of shimmery, but not enough. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put this base down and then do that. So let's do that really quick. Let me find a brush that I can actually do that with. Guys, while I'm cleaning off my brush, so you guys know that I always use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind for under eye concealer, like I always do, but I've never, crazy I know, I've never tried Tarte Shape Tape, never tried it. I don't know why, I just never have, I just never bought it, just because I'm so in love with my Maybelline. But I was at Ulta yesterday and I bought this, the Revlon Conceal and Define, because I heard this was a really good dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. Some people say it is, some people say it's not, but I am literally in love. I got, like, it's too dark of a shade, like I do need to go a little bit lower, but I don't really mind it for everyday use, just because everyday use I don't want a super bright under eye. I usually just brighten it up with a powder or something, so I don't really mind the shade. I got the shade C7 and it's just like my under eyes have just never looked so good. If you guys have never tried Tarte Shape Tape, try this. It's amazing. If you're on a budget like me, try this. I'm in love. Anyways, off that subject, because we're not talking about concealer right now, I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm going to take that blue that we were talking about in the palette. So I'm going to go in, tap off the excess because there's a lot. And I'm going to just run that under my under eyes. That's pretty blue. These shades, I actually kind of like this palette just because all the vibrancy it has. Vibrancy, is that a word? Probably not. And I like it, but like the shades are so powdery. Like none of them are super pigmented, and I know this is like a super old palette. Like they probably have come up. This is the first time I've ever tried BH Cosmetics anything, so I can't say much about the company, but I've heard really good things, and they're really cheap. This palette was on sale for $12. It's usually $16.99, which is $17 for 33 shades? 35 shades. 35 colors for $17. Like, that's amazing. And they're not, like, super bad quality. They're actually pretty good. So, I'm obsessed with the palette so far. I do think the shades are a little powdery, but, like, not enough where the palette is unbearable, if that makes any sense. Like, I do need to dip in quite a few times in order to get the pigmentation I want, but I don't care because I like this palette. Now I'm just going to go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to be taking that color in my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, this blue right here, just because I do want a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to lightly put that on the bottom as well. To highlight the inner corner of my eye, I'm taking the first color in the Jaclyn Hill palette and putting it in the inner corner of my eye just to highlight that a little bit. I'm starting to like it. Alright, I can see this. Okay, now that I'm done being weird, I am going to really quick put on a lipstick. I think I'm going to use, I don't know, I'm either going to use Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star because I love it, or I'm going to use this MAC one in Hue. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this all over and put this in the center. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I just, like I said, put on Celebrity Skin, and then I kind of put this all over, not just in the center, just because this is more of like a glossy finish, like glaze lipstick. So I really, really love this just for all over. It gives it that gloss without putting a gloss on. So this is what I use. And then also in the, what's that called? Waterline, I put the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, just a white eye pencil, just kind of open up the eyes just a little bit more. I never really do that because I think it looks kind of weird, but with this look being so bright, I actually really, really loved it. But guys, before we go, really quick, I do have a quick announcement. So over the last 2 weeks, I have been gaining like subscribers like kind of crazy, like 10 a day-ish. I started out 2 weeks ago with like 200, and now I have like almost 800. I think I have like 780 something right now. So that is incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so happy that you guys like my videos. You guys want to stick around. That's awesome. For my announcement, I did want to do this once I hit 1,000. So when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I do want to do, it's not going to be like a huge giveaway, but it will be a little giveaway for you guys. I will announce it in a video, like the actual giveaway. I already know what I want to do, but I will announce it in that video once I hit 1,000, and I do that video. I will announce what I'm going to do in that video. But I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing and staying on my channel. It's like incredible to me. You guys mean the absolute world to me, and I'm so happy that you guys like me enough to stay, because, you know, that means a lot. that you like me enough to stay. But I did want to let you guys know that once I do hit 1,000 subscribers, I did want to do a giveaway for you guys. So I hope you guys stick around for that. But anyways, guys, I don't want to ramble too much, but if you guys like this video and if you like me, then subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button so that I know that you guys like these kind of videos. Let me know some like videos down below of what you want me to do like during the spring and anything like that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. I just wanted to say that if you guys recreate this look, let me know. All of my social media will be down below, so you can go follow me on those. And yeah. With all that being said, I gotta go to work. So thank you guys for being here, and I really, really hope that I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.